issue. It's probably very easy to fix. I think it's fuel acceleration. But every time I go in there and mess with it, I end up doing something I'm not supposed to do. So. Slight little hill here, and if I just give it a nice acceleration, it'll take off. Let's see if we can give it another pretty heavy acceleration here. Yeah, this truck's fun. Y'all are probably wondering why it's so bouncy in here. Well, those are the leaf springs. Alright, I guess we're gonna burn some rubber here. You know what? That's a win, because we put 19 miles on this tank already of fuel.